Today I'm going to be firing my buddy Steve's brand new Smith & Wesson Governor. It's chambered for 45 Colt, 45 ACP, and 410 2.5. Last time we fired this we had some issues with it, and we were told by Smith & Wesson that only to use Winchester ammunition, don't use Remington. Well, we don't like that, so we're going to go ahead and try the Remington again. So we're shooting staggered loads here and see what happens. Make sure I got my ear protection on. And we're going to try it. Top target. So good. Yeah, easy trigger, nice crisp. Good. Felt good.